1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 24. We have your message and we shall have the invoice and the bills of lading ready by the time the ship sails on Wednesday. Full stop. Since the business for the year shows a heavy loss, the bank may wish to have a voice in the firm's affairs. Full stop. We refuse to pay this sum when you can get the same items for less. Full stop. May we know why this small bill is unpaid? As you know, we have allowed it to go beyond the usual time. Full stop. We shall be happy to give you details of any of the items which appear on the bill. Full stop. In a month, we hope to aid the names of a dozen firms which will sell our silk. Full stop. I have seen the head of the firm and I think he will renew the lease on the office in South Avenue. Full stop. He will, I think, wish to lease fewer rooms and thus effect a saving. Full stop. His firm has had a poor year and for this reason he has to save some money. Full stop. We shall be happy to give you the names of those hotels which have bought them. Full stop.